Hey there, Todd with Industrial Comfort. 'Tis the holiday season and your kids are probably running around like maniacs all hopped up on sugar. So take 5 minutes and turn a top like this, which will hopefully occupy your kids for maybe another 5 minutes or so. So let's get started. I hope you enjoyed the video today. It's a great, easy, simple little project that hopefully will keep the kids occupied for a few more minutes. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.